How to reapply for Amazon Associates account. So before you go and reapply for your account, you need to make sure that you have complied with their suitable requirements. Once you have fulfilled those requirements, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for Amazon Associates. Head over to the very first site, Amazon.com Associates Central. It will redirect you to this page. You will have to create 4 steps in order to set up Amazon Associates affiliate account. First of all, you need to enter your account information. Enter the payee name and then the specific address. Also enter the state and the zip code. Enter your phone number, contact name, and contact phone number. Once you have entered, tap on next at the bottom right corner. In the next step, you need to enter website and the mobile app list. In this section, you need to enter your any of the website. You can simply enter the link over here and then tap on add. Once you have entered, tap on next at the bottom left. Now the third step is to enter the detailed information of your store. Firstly, enter what is your Performed Associate store ID and then tell them about the content you create. Similarly, enter all the details. Once you are done, tap on finish at the bottom right corner. Here it says thank you for applying to the Amazon.com Associates program. Well, you can enter your payment and the tax information later on. So that's it, and this is simply how you can reapply for your Amazon Associates account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you, and thank you for watching it till the end.